Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device shows activation lock. That tells you this is an Icloud security measure. Next, collect proof of ownership, the original receipt, serial or IMEI, purchase date, and the seller's info, because Apple will ask. Make sure you have matching photo ID and the Apple ID email tied to the device. Once done, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store with those documents. They are the only legitimate path to remove activation lock legally and safely. You now initiate the official removal request with Apple support using chat, phone, or a Genius Bar appointment. Choose the fastest option for your region. Upload the ownership documents exactly as requested, include the IMEI or serial number, and clear photos of your receipt and ID. Apple will verify and issue a case number. Make sure you record it. Be prepared for verification delays and follow up politely if the process stalls, because patience plus correct paperwork is how you get the lock cleared. Finally, explore lawful alternatives if Apple can't verify ownership. Ask the seller or platform for a purchase record or check your bank statement for proof. Do not use third-party jailbreak or lock removal services. They often fail, violate terms, and can brick the phone or compromise your data. If you hit roadblocks, escalate through Apple's appeals or a consumer protection agency and preserve all communications and receipts. This legal route protects you and increases the chance of recovering access without risking the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.